Good morning, children. Welcome back to the class. Children, in our previous classes, we read chapter number 3, Little Miss Muffet, right? Today, we will complete the exercises of the story. Children, before doing the exercise, please go through the chapter once again. Okay? Then open exercise number 2. Here, use the correct word in each sentence below. We have to use the correct word in these sentences. Choose the words from the list. So, we have to use these words. The words are beside, sent, ill, met, where, fond. Okay? You all know the meanings of these words, right? A. The fairy queen met Miss Muffet in the garden. So write met here. B. She was very fond of her forget-me-nots. The queen was very fond of her forget-me-nots. The boy was very ill for many days. So write ill here. D. His mother sat beside his bed every night. Beside. E. The spider did not know where Miss Muffet was. Where Miss Muffet was. Write where. F. The queen sent the spider to find her. To find Miss Muffet. The queen sent the spider to find Miss Muffet, right? So write sent. Okay. Now we will do exercise number 3. Complete these sentences. So we have to complete these sentences. A. Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet eating her curds and whey, right? So write eating her curds and whey. The flowers did not get any water on that hot day. So on that particular hot day, the flowers did not get any water. C. Off Miss Muffet ran away. Write away. D. The spider sat down beside Miss Muffet and frightened her. What the spider did? Sat down beside Miss Muffet and frightened her. Okay? Is it clear to you all? So, last exercise, number 4. There are 4 speakers in this story. So, in this story, there are 4 speakers. Speakers are those who tell the story, okay, or who says something. Who are they? So who are they? They are Fairy Queen, Spider, Wind and Miss Muffet, right? So children, we are done with the exercises of chapter number 3. I request you all to please do these exercises neatly, and I request the parents to encourage your child to send their works, because this is very important. So that's all for today. See you in the next class. Bye bye children.